2027 Lexus TZ a full exterior details. The 2027 Lexus TZ is Lexus' first all-electric three-row luxury SUV. Its exterior combines futuristic EV styling with Lexus' signature design language, focusing on aerodynamics, luxury, and road presence. Front design: closed spindle body front fascia instead of a traditional grille. Distinctive L-shaped LED daytime running lights. Slim full LED headlamps with sharp styling. H-shaped trim element integrated into the front design. Sculpted bumper with aerodynamic air channels. Upright nose for a commanding SUV appearance. Side profile. Long wheelbase three-row SUV proportions. Flush door handles for improved aerodynamics. Blacked-out pillars creating a floating roof effect. Strong shoulder line running the length of the vehicle. Muscular wheel arches and flared fenders. Aerodynamic side mirrors designed to reduce wind noise. Large 20-inch and available 22-inch alloy wheels. Rear design: full-width LED light bar across the tailgate. Signature Lexus L-shaped taillights. Large roof spoiler for aerodynamic efficiency. Sculpted tailgate with premium detailing. Bold rear bumper with integrated aerodynamic elements. Modern Eve-inspired rear styling. Exterior dimensions. Specification lister 200.8 in 5,100 millimeters width. 78.3 in 1,990 millimeters height. 67.1 in 1,705 millimeters wheelbase. 120.1 in 3,050 millimeters. These dimensions make the TZ one of the largest Lexus electric SUVs and provide generous interior space for all three rows. Aerodynamics: drag coefficient of approximately 0.27 CD. Smooth underbody panels. Aerodynamic mirrors. Optimized wheel designs. Air dams and airflow management around body edges. Designed to maximize driving range and reduce wind noise. Wheels and tires: standard 20-inch alloy wheels. Optional 22-inch premium alloy wheels. Special wheel design reduces tire resonance and road noise. Low rolling resistance tires improve EVE efficiency. Exterior colors expected: Lexus is expected to offer premium finish including white pearl, atomic silver, graphite black, deep blue, copper, champagne metallic. Premium two-tone options. Availability may vary by trim and market. Exterior highlights: futuristic spindle body front design, full-width LED rear light bar, flush door handles, floating roof appearance, 20-inch and 22-inch wheel options, aerodynamic 0.27 CD body shape, premium luxury SUV proportions, three-row electric SUV design. The Lexus TZ's exterior is designed to compete with the Tesla Model X, Rivian R1S, and Cadillac Vistiq, emphasizing Lexus luxury, quietness, and aerodynamic efficiency. 2027 Luxus TZ Full Interior Details. The 2027 Luxus TZ is Lexus's first fully electric three-row luxury SUV. Its interior is designed around a driving lounge concept, focusing on space, comfort, quietness, and premium craftsmanship. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus One. Dashboard and cockpit. Slim, low-profile dashboard for improved visibility. Large digital instrument cluster. Latest generation Lexus interface infotainment system. Enhanced voice assistant Hey Lexus. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Full screen navigation integration. Premium center console with large storage compartment. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus One. Seating configuration. 3 rows with seating for up to 6 passengers. Premium second row captain's chairs. Ventilated front seats. Available ventilated second row seats. Power ottomans for front passenger and second row passengers. Sofa style third row seats for improved comfort on long trips. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus 2. Luxury materials. Sustainable forged bamboo trim inspired by Japanese craftsmanship. Soft touch premium surfaces throughout the cabin. Interior color themes. Birch light gray. Acorn medium brown. Black dapple gray. High quality ambient materials emphasizing a modern luxury atmosphere. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus One. Panoramic roof. Massive panoramic glass roof extending across all 3 rows. Power sunshade included. Designed to maximize headroom and visibility for rear passengers. Lexus USA Newsroom. Ambient lighting. Multicolor ambient LED lighting. 6 Japanese-inspired lighting themes. Creates a relaxing lounge-like cabin environment at night. Lexus USA Newsroom. Audio system. Available 21-speaker Mark Levinson premium sound system. Designed for immersive, concert-quality sound. Exceptionally quiet cabin enhances audio performance. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus One. Quiet cabin technology. Extensive sound insulation materials. Aerodynamic mirrors reduce wind noise. Vibration control engineering. Lexus claims it is the quietest SUV cabin the company has ever produced. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus 2. Cargo and practicality. One-touch folding second and third row seats. Flexible cargo area. Easy access to the third row. Removable rear center console for walk-through access. Lexus USA Newsroom. Interior highlights. 3-row luxury Eve cabin. Captain's chairs with power ottomans. Forged bamboo trim. Panoramic roof across all rows. 21-speaker Mark Levinson audio. Advanced Lexus interface infotainment. Ambient lighting themes. Exceptionally quiet ride experience. Lexus USA Newsroom Plus One. The Lexus TZ's interior is aimed at competing with luxury electric SUVs such as the Rivian R1S, Cadillac Vistic, and Tesla Model X, with a stronger emphasis on lounge-style comfort and passenger relaxation. MotorTrend.com 1.